Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Facebook account. So if you want to delete your Facebook account, then it's pretty simple. So I'll show you guys exactly how to delete your Facebook account. First things first though, you want to head over to the Facebook app or website. Once you're there, you're going to want to go to the menu page. On the app, you click on the menu in the bottom right corner of the screen. That'll bring you to the menu page here. Once you're on the menu page, you're going to want to scroll down until you see the option for settings and privacy. And once you see that, you can click on the drop down bar right there and then choose settings out of these options. So find the settings in the settings and privacy page and then click on it, and it will bring to the settings and privacy page. From here, you're going to want to find Meta Account Center. So it's not anywhere down here, but it's at the very top. So once you find Meta Account Center, click on it, it will bring you to this page here. On this page, you're going to want to find personal details, which is right underneath account settings. So find the account settings subsection and then find personal details. Once you find personal details, you can go ahead and click on that, and they'll bring you to the next page here. And here you want to find account ownership and control. There should be 4 options and it should be the last option. Once you find it, click on it, it will bring you to this page here. And out of the 2 options, you want to click deactivation or deletion. Once you click on that, you're going to want to choose the account that you want to delete. And then once you choose the account, you want to choose delete account out of these 2 options. Deactivating your account is temporary, but deleting your account is permanent. Once you do that, you can just click continue. Continue here as well. And here you can read through all this if you want to, but if you're sure that you want to delete your account, then you can go ahead and scroll the video and delete it. But you can also save posts or transfer a copy of your information if you want to do that as well. Once you're done doing all that, you can click continue, and you need to put in your password here. So just go ahead and confirm your password one more time, and once you do that, click continue. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to confirm your permanent account deletion one more time. So click delete account, and then once you click delete account, it's going to load for a bit, and then it will confirm your deletion for your account. You will have 30 days that you can reactivate your account for. So if you log back into your account in those 30 days, then your account won't be deleted. But if you just leave it alone for 30 days, then it will be completely deleted. So that is how you delete your Facebook account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I will see you guys next time.